guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys this month's swag bag from Profiles Backstage. We are currently in a giveaway right now, and my last video from last month's swag bag is part of that giveaway. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description, but I will be showing you this month's swag bag that I'm going to add to the giveaway. So the giveaway is still open. You will need to comment, like, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So let's get into it. This is what came in this month's swag bag, which is, let's see, when is this month? January, February, March, April swag bag. It is the liquid chrome set. And with these, I watched Profiles Backstage's video when they opened or did the swag bag for this month, and they showed how to use it. This stuff, I guess, you have to really shake it really good before you apply it. And she also said that the liquid in here evaporates really fast, so you need to make sure that you seal these up real good. After you apply it to the nail, make sure you seal it up immediately because it evaporates quickly. But with this, you place it on when you're using it where you want it and let it dry for a minute, and I guess it doesn't take very long at all, and then you rub it on there. I am going to be straightforward with you, honest. I am not the best with chromes, but we're going to give it a whirl. I decided to do a ocean sea kind of set, so yeah, something with water. So here are each of the colors that come in it. This is what it looks like when it is placed on black. You can really see chrome colors when you use a black base. Also, if you use white, it has a different effect. It has the same color, but it's lighter. So when you shake it up, you can see the shimmery look it has. So let's get started. Besides the chrome powders, I'll be using Not Polish Acrylic, which is Nude Panther. To apply my acrylic today, I'll be using my Glitter Planet Purple number 12. You've Got This brush from Glitter Planet. For this video, I'll only be showing one nail so I can show you guys how to use these chrome liquids. I started out by wanting to do a full set, and I do a full set on this hand, but it'll be in my next video because I completely filed off this pinky nail because it didn't match the rest of the set. So if you would like to see how the set actually turned out, watch my next video and you'll be able to see, but the pinky nail will be different in it. So now I'm going in with Blossom Gel from Nail Couture because that's the only kind of blooming gel that I have. You apply this to the nail, leave it wet, do not cure it, and then I'm going to take quite a few of my Model 1's gel polishes. I'm taking, if I can remember, purple, okay, and then pink and orange and yellow to create the background and the sky. So, oh, and the water. So I'll let you watch as I do that. So as you can see, I'm using the purple, the pink, and the orange and the yellow to create the background, and with that blooming gel, it just melts into each other. You kind of pull it up and down and it does its job with the blooming gel. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put the sun here and let that kind of bloom in there. I put a little orange in the sun as well, and then I'm going to do the water down below, but it's not going to be blue, it's going to be pink, and then I'm going to put ripples in the water so you can tell it's water with yellow. Because if you think about it, at sunset, the water is going to reflect the color that's up in the sky. Okay, so I got this Sepui polish. I'm just gonna add it on the sun so it will glow in the dark, and maybe a little bit here on where the yellow spots are, just to give it something a little extra since these are gonna glow. And I'm gonna use number 3, the chrome. I'm gonna put that on top of the yellow after I put this on. This is a mood changing and glow in the dark polish in one. So it won't really change the color. It'll just add some glow. I'm putting some more blooming gel on the sun, and I'm gonna take some of that liquid chrome, number 3, the yellow color, and I'm just gonna put a little drop there in the middle and let it bloom out so it gives it that reflective look, and it just kind of spreads out in there. It didn't spread as much as I thought it was going to, so I put a little more, but it gives it an awesome look. And then I kind of put some more down below on the yellow where the water is to give it that sparkly look on the water. The water part I'll rub in with my finger when it dries, and then I will put it in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure the sun. I'm going to take my base coat from Nail Couture, and I'm going to cover the whole entire nail just so I can seal in that chrome so we don't completely wipe it away with anything. And then I'm going to take my frosting black gel paint from Profiles Backstage to make the tree. But first I'm going to take my magic matte from Profiles Backstage, and I'm going to put a layer of that on, and I'm going to cure that as well, and then I will start my painting. As you can see, I already used the black to create the beach part, and now I am just painting the tree, the palm tree. I do this part first, and then I cure it for 30 seconds, and then I do the leaves on it. It's a lot easier, just in case you make a mistake, you don't wipe away your tree trunk. So I'm gonna do all that, and then we will get some other colors in there with the chrome, and I'm also going to be using my Madam Glam pudding gel, the brown color for the tree trunk, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds as well. forgot to record me doing the birds. So now that I have all that painted, I'm gonna go ahead and take the number 2 chrome and I'm gonna try and just get it on the tree. We'll see how that works. Something to think about when you're doing small sections with chrome is to make sure that you have a matte background, because it's a lot easier to clean up when you're doing something like this. If you have a shiny top coat, you're gonna rub that chrome right into it and it'll be very difficult to clean up in the background of it. Now for my brown Madame Glam pudding gel. I'm going to use that for the tree trunk, like I said, and cure it for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to take that number 2 chrome, liquid chrome, and I'm going to put that on the land part in the corner. And I'm going to rub that in really good when it dries. Go in with my base coat again and cure it for 30 seconds just to seal in that chrome. I then use my Magic Matte Top Coat from Profiles Backstage. I'm going to show you what the nail looks like glossy, and then I will show you what it looks like matte. Tell me which one you like the best. Here is the final result. This is what it looks like glossy. I think I like the glossy the best. I don't know. What do you guys think? I wish I would have taken some glossy on the water and left the rest matte. I think that would have been cool, but I like it. I like it a lot. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to do my shout out. My shout out this week goes out to Amanda S. and Robert Arnold. You guys tied for the first comment in the last video. Thank you all so much for your support. It means everything to me. If you would like to be entered into the giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, like this video and the last video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you like the best. You can follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and follow Profiles Backstage on here and on Instagram. And good luck to everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.